Hello everyone, let's provide a solution to this problem. A to the power of 3 plus A equals 30. A to the power of 3 plus A minus 30 equals 0. And from here, we can think of expressing 30 in this form. So we have A to the power of 3 plus A minus 30 equals 0. Now 30 here, let's break it into 2. A to the power of 3 plus A minus 30 is 27 plus 6. By the way, it's 27 plus 3. 27 plus 3, then we equate to 0. Now, let's write 27 in index form, in this form. So A to the power of 3 plus A minus 27 is 3 to the power of 3. Then we have plus 3. Then everything is equal to 0. What if I open this bracket? A to the power of 3 plus A minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 equals 0. Now it is left for us to group, so we can have A to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3, then plus A minus 3. So I will deal with this separately and I will have this separately. Everything is equal to 0. Now, just like we have difference of two squares, we can equally have difference of two cubes. So here we have the difference of two cubes. If you have a, okay, there's already a here. Let me use x and y. If we have x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3, this is the same thing as x minus y, close this, into, we have x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, so this is what we have, and I'm going to express this in this format. So x plus x minus y now becomes a minus 3. Then in here I have x squared, which will be a squared, then plus xy, that will be a times 3, and it's 3a. Then I have plus y squared, which will be 3 squared, and it is 9. Okay, close that. Then from here, this is already out. Okay, what we have here like this is okay, it is not yet out, so we close this. Then plus I have this a minus 3. Everything is equal to 0. Now a minus 3 is a factor. We have factorized it out. So here I have a squared plus 3a plus 9. Then I have plus 1 from here, because if the whole of this comes out, just like you're dividing, there will be 1 over there. Then we equate this to 0. So a minus 3 here is already a factor. Then I have a squared plus 3a plus 10 to be equal to 0. Now we apply 0 product rule. A minus 3 is equal to 0, or a squared plus 3a plus 10 is equal to 0. From here, a is equal to 0 plus 3, and our a is equal to 3. Right? So this is the real solution. But then from this quadratic equation, we will be having two additional solutions. So let's deal with that here. Now, this is a squared plus 3a plus 10 equals 0. Now, the formula that we are going to use will be having a as one of the as the variable, right? So promise me to change this equation to x squared plus 3x then plus 10 equals 0. And the formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything is over 2a. Now, our a is the coefficient of x squared, and that is 1. So x will now be, in place of minus b, I'll write minus 3 plus or minus b squared will now be 3 squared as well. Then minus 4 times a is 1 times c, and our c is 10. So write 10 over there. Then we divide this by 2 times 1, which is 2. To continue with this, we have x to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus. Then we have 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 10, that will be 40. Then we divide this by 2. To continue with this, we will be having x. Okay, so we will be having x to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 40 will give us minus square root of minus 31. So this will now be over 2. Now, to continue with this, we have x to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 31 multiplied by square root of negative 1, so that the square root of 31 can be obtained. Then we divide this by 2. Okay, so x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, we have I square root of 31 over 2. But this is a 2-in-1 solution. So let's pick from the first part. The first solution that we had is, remember this x here stands for the a. So our a is the first value we got, and it's equal to 3. Okay, then our a1 or a2, let's call this a1. Our a2 is obtained from here, and that will be minus 3 plus I square root of 31 over 2. This is our a2. Then a3 is still from here, and it's minus 3 minus I square root of 31 over 2. So from here we have the 3 solutions to the equation. But mind you, the first solution is the real solution.